Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted a hair video, mostly because I keep my hair pretty low maintenance, mostly in a bun like this, to be honest. But I have decided to get Sisterlocks. So I want to come on here and do a video, my last video with my loose natural hair, pretty much. Why I decided to get Sisterlocks. So I keep my hair mostly in a bun. That's what I've been doing for years, y'all. It's been years. Like, if I'm not in braids or something, I have my hair in a bun. And I just got kind of tired of that. I didn't feel like I wanted to style my hair. Like, I didn't feel like I wanted to do twist outs or braid outs anymore. It felt like a lot of work to do the twist outs and braid outs. So I just stopped doing those, and then I landed on just wearing a bun. So to stretch my hair, to put it in a bun, I've just been doing like 2 or 4 twists or braids in my hair right after I wash it, and that stretches it enough to the point where I can get into a bun like this. And on special occasions I would do like a twist out or a braid out or something like that, but other than that I wasn't really styling my hair. And I guess I got to a point where I was tired of that and I wanted some more versatility, but I also wanted to keep my hair lower maintenance. So I decided to get Sisterlocks. They are higher maintenance than traditional locks though. I'm gonna have to get what's called reties, where they interlock the roots every 5 to 8 weeks. So there's more routine maintenance, which are also higher costs compared to traditional locks because the reties take longer. I am gonna be interlocking my hair from root to tip. So I know one of y'all asked where my dog was. He's still right here. That's him. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of traveling lately, and he stays with my family while I'm gone. He doesn't go to like boarding or anything like that. He's still licking me a ton, but he's big now. Look. He's like 11 pounds. But yeah, I want to show you the current state of my hair. I've actually been cutting it for maybe a year or so. I've been cutting it off kind of gradually. At first just for low maintenance purposes, lower maintenance. Some of y'all may know Sisterlocks are an expensive hairstyle. Install price is based off of the length of your hair. So I decided to cut my hair to 13 inches long in order to keep the price a little bit lower. So this is my hair at 13 inches long. As the first part of getting Sisterlocks, you have to get a consultation. And the consultation includes an install some tester locks. So I have about 8 or 9 tester locks. Here they are right here. I'm also not experiencing much shrinkage with these. So I had these tester locks put in a month and a half ago, and this is how much they shrunk up. If I pull them, you'll see they're actually to this length. Right now it's scheduled to come in for 3 days. The first day we're starting at around 1 p.m. after work, and the next days we'll start early in the day. Install is actually tomorrow. This is like the last day I could have showed y'all my hair. This is gonna be the last time my hair is out like this, which is crazy. But it's time. I'm gonna have to wash my hair before my install tomorrow, so I'm gonna wash it right now. I'm not supposed to put any product in my hair after I wash it. I will come back and show you how my hair looks tomorrow after the first install day. Hey guys, so this is day 3 of my install now. I will insert a clip of how my hair looked after day 1. She worked from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. to do that section, so about 8 hours. She also did some parting, and she took down like one of my test locks that was, you know, at my crown area. The second install day, she did about half my hair, so pretty much what you're seeing here. She worked from 9:30 to about 6 p.m. with a 1-hour lunch break. Right now I have, this is pretty much braiding and banding. This is how I will wash my hair when, you know, every time I wash it. It's recommended to braid and band until your hair is locked. So there's these little bands at the bottom. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's banded at the bottom. So today I'm gonna go to her house at around 9:30, and it shouldn't take the whole day to do this part. But yeah, the process has been going pretty well so far. Hey guys, so I'm back with the finished results. This is about 2 or 3 days later. I'll insert clips of how my hair looked immediately after the install. It was a lot longer. She spritzed my hair with like rose water to stretch it, and also had it in like braids, bantu, knots and things like that. This is 3 days later after the install was completed, and it shrunk up to this length here. The parting is really good on this. So in the very, very nape area, I'll show you, my hair is less dense. So the locks were bigger. You can tell here, I'm hoping. So this area in my back never grows, or has not grown for a while. So I'm hoping with locks, it won't break off as much. And I can see it from the side. So my plan is to wash my hair and see how much it shrinks up after that. But yeah, I'll do that and come back and show y'all what my hair looks like in 2 days. I have experienced some itchiness, but I wouldn't say it's too major. Like, I've had worse itchiness when I had knotless braids. But yeah, I'm ready for this journey, and I actually have pretty good length. I'm happy with the length, but of course it's scalpier right now. She did do like a lock count, and I have 345 locks. They're not too small, which is what I wanted for less maintenance over time, especially in the back. You saw it's a lot bigger at that nape area. But yeah.